The autopilot disconnect warning message displays when the autopilots disconnect. If the autopilot system senses a failure in one of its components, all engaged autopilots disengage. Reset the autopilot and master warning system. That switch only extinguishes the warning light when the autopilot disconnects. It does not silence the oral or cancel the ICAS message. After an autopilot disconnect, you may attempt to re-engage the autopilot system. Re-engage the autopilot. If available, an autopilot engages. The autopilot caution message displays when the autopilot is in a degraded mode but still operating. For example, the engaged roll mode may have failed. The autopilot caution message also displays when a pitch mode fails. Finally, the message displays if the autopilot is responding to flight envelope protection such as overspeed, approaching stick shaker, or bank angle protection. The auto-throttle disconnect caution message displays when a failure is detected in the auto-throttle system. After the system disconnects, reset the auto-throttle and master caution system. That switch only resets the master caution system. It does not reset the auto-throttle system. Touch the highlighted area. After an auto-throttle disconnect, you may attempt to re-engage the auto-throttle. The auto-throttle left or right advisory message displays when an auto-throttle servo failure is detected while the auto-throttle system is engaged. A failure in either servo disconnects the auto-throttle system and the caution message Auto-Throttle Disconnect displays. Reset the auto-throttle and master caution system. After the disconnect, you may re-engage the auto-throttle to operate the remaining servo. For this example, re-engage the right auto-throttle by pushing the auto-throttle engage switch. Notice that the ICAS message remains displayed, and the flight mode annunciation right speed indicates which auto-throttle servo is active. The auto-throttle message also displays when one auto-throttle arm switch is armed and the other is not. There are two ICAS messages which can display when a degrading of the autoland system is detected. Both messages are No Land 3. One is a caution, the other an advisory. Both messages indicate that the autoland system does not have the redundancy required for triple-channel autoland. The No Land 3 advisory displays when the system fails prior to the Land 3 or Land 2 status annunciation. The No Land 3 caution displays when the degradation occurs after Land 3 is annunciated. In either case, the Autoland system is now fail-passive. With either message displayed, another failure affecting the Autoland system renders the Autoland system inoperative. There are also two ICAS messages associated with the failure of the Autoland system. Both messages are no Autoland. One message is a caution and the other an advisory. Both messages indicate that a system failure prevents an Autoland from being performed. The No Autoland advisory displays when the system fails prior to Land 3 or Land 2 status annunciation. The No Autoland caution message displays when the system fails after Land 3 or Land 2 status annunciation.